Guys, from MudMowers. Today, we're doing a Suburban update. Enjoy! So, give you guys an update here. I've got the valves all grinded up, and they're sitting here in the order. Seats have been ground. Looks like there's a little bit of rust on that there, but should just wipe off. So yep, all of those have been ground. You can kind of even see the stripe on it. I pull out an exhaust valve and you can, they're pretty good. Here's an intake valve. See, it stripes pretty much in the center. So those should be good. And the head surfaces have been cleaned up a little bit, and heads have been degreased and whatnot, so they are ready to get painted. This is a normal looking valve spring, while this one is a little bit rusted. As you can tell, it's not as glossy. So I went ahead and just bought a new set of them because having a little bit of rust can deteriorate the spring's integrity. So take these, send them here, hit them with a hammer, watch them disappear, and shouldn't have to worry about these. They're like $20 for the 16 new springs. I also got a new pressure sensor because it kind of broke mine. Hey, would you look at that? Made it in the box. Moving on to the block, it's a 350 Chevy out of the 99K 1500 Suburban. So yeah, cleaned it up and took out the freeze plugs and the cam bearings on it. It's got some castings on it, 5.7 liter. SGI stands for spherite or graphite iron, which is a type of, iron used to make this block. Not sure if that's like standard, but I'd assume it probably is on most Chevy engine blocks. But yeah, it's all cleaned up. There's the front of it. You can see what the cam bearing. Here's the front bearing crankshaft cap. And when I got this engine, it had spun about half of the rod bearings, and it spun a couple of these. I think it was just this one actually. It spun this bearing a little bit, and it heated this cap up, caused it to shrink in like that. So there's a big gap on it. So I went to the junkyard, just found this one sitting on the ground, put it on here for like $10, and now there's like very little lip on there, because before it was all pushed in like that and it had a big gap. So that should work for a good $10 junkyard bearing cap. The cylinder here, that's been honed, but that's actually from the factory. I haven't honed it yet. You still see some scraping, which all the cylinders actually have that. Probably due to like all of the iron floating around from this thing, eating a couple bearings right up. It's actually got like 199,222 miles on it maybe. So it's almost at 200,000, but yeah, it's pretty good for what it has on it. And you can also see that there's not much of a gap from where the ring comes up and it stops. I mean, especially on the sides, you wouldn't expect anything, or even on the top, because the piston's mainly just pushing down on the bottom. It's not going side to side. So, very impressive amount of wear on that. Suspension's coming along. This side isn't as complete. Just gotta put that up in there. But I gotta set the CV joints in, which we're having a jolly time out in the rain. But yeah, you see I hand torqued and marked all of the bolts, so keep an eye on them. I've also got new brake cylinders and wheel hubs, and I've also got those hub seals too to replace. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video of from MudMowers, just a little Suburban update. Haven't got much to do on it yet because I've been grinding hard on the Honda by 4, which is finally done. That thing's been working awesome as it should. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get to grinding these brake rotors down. They collected a little bit of rust, and should have this thing driving soon. Stay tuned for more.